I used to spend a massive amount of time every week managing social media engagement and writing manual comments. Now I create one strategy and let AI handle the interaction automatically across all my accounts at the same time. In 2026, Facebook marketing is no longer about luck. It is about building a high-trust social empire through automated group interaction. To stay invisible to Meta's security AI, we set the time between posts from 60 to 90 seconds. We configure the system to switch accounts if we hit 10 consecutive errors. To protect the authority of our entire account farm by selecting available content in random mode and allowing duplicate content between accounts, we mimic real human behavior, making your automation look 100% organic. This isn't just about posting. It's about using AI to generate high-quality engagement that perfectly fits your target niche. Our content management system ensures every interaction is digitally unique, effectively bypassing duplicate filters while building massive account heat. This professional approach creates the viral buzz needed to push your content to the top of every group newsfeed automatically. Ready to build your social empire and scale your business to the moon? Contact our expert team via Telegram at 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐦 or WhatsApp at +80 for 1,376,119,126. Subscribe for more automation secrets. Let's dominate the feed together.